I love playing the listening games at the hospital. My favourite one is the boat game. When I hear a sound, I have to jump the person in the boat.
Well done, Quinn. Get your next man ready. Let's listen again, listening for a quiet sound. Good job, super listening. And this time, Quinn, we're going to listen for a squeaky sound. Let's get ready to listen. Can I get a high five? And this time, Quinn, we're going to listen for some rumbly noises. Good job! Well done, Quinn. For the next game, we're going to wear some headphones. So we're going to listen. We're going to wait. You're alright. When our noise comes, on the stick we go. Which one's next? You're having the green one, and I'll have this green one. Ready? So we listen. We wait. Good waiting, Quinn. Well done. Good job. There's your noise. Good job. So next we're going to pop on my special listening headband. When our noise comes, we can jump our balls onto the stick. Good job. Which one next? Okay, get the white ball ready. Let's listen for another noise. All by yourself. Well done. Good job. All done.
Sometimes waiting and listening for the sound is hard. We can play the Ready, Steady, Go game anywhere, anytime.
Ready, steady, go. Well done. Shall we do another one? Ready, steady, go. Well done. Ready, steady, go.
I like looking in my teddy's ears.